Everyone, today we are going to know about CS Card EBS Payment Gateway. With the help of this add-on, you can allow your users of the site to use EBS Payment Gateway at your store. This is the India's most popular payment method with your CS Card store, and make sure that while using this CS Card EBS Payment Gateway add-on, your Indian currency, which is INR, is configured at the store. For the online demonstration regarding the product, you can visit the Webpool store and click on this demo button. And for the documentation regarding the same, please go through the user guide manual provided at the store. Let us now proceed towards the installation part of this add-on. This is my admin panel. Go to add-ons tab and click on manage add-ons. Now click on this plus button to upload and install a new add-on, and click on local and browse the zip file for EBS Payment Gateway and click on upload and install. Once your add-on get installed, you'll get a note which says please ensure INR currency should be configured in your store. For that, you need to check whether this currency is installed at your store. Go to administration tab and click on this currencies. Here you can see that INR currency has been configured. If it is not configured, you can configure it by clicking this plus button and adding the mandatory details to add a currency, and click on this create button. Now let us create a new payment method for this EBS Payment Gateway. For that, you need to go to administration tab and click on this payment method. Now click on this plus button to add a new payment method. Give a name to the payment method. Let us give a name to be EBS Payment Gateway. Here you need to choose the processor for this EBS Payment Gateway, which is EBS Payment Gateway here in the drop down list. Next is template. This template will get automatically fetched according to the processor chosen over here. Next, you choose payment category. You can choose any of the category as per your requirement, and you need to fill up all the mandatory details provided over here to create a new payment method. Once it is done, let us click on this next tab, which is configure. To configure this payment method at your store, you need to fill up the credentials which you will be getting through EBS. Here you need to enter the EBS account ID and EBS secret key over here. The next is to choose the EBS mode. Here you need to select the mode for EBS. Either you can select the test mode or the live mode as per your requirement. The next is to choose the hash type. You can choose hash type from here provided. Let us choose it to be MD5. The last option is to select the order status. Here you need to set up the order status for a successful payment transaction via EBS Payment Gateway. Once it is done, click on this create button. Here you can view that EBS Payment Gateway has been created successfully. Let us now view at the front end and pay via this payment gateway and see what happens. This is my front end panel. Let us purchase a new product. Let us add this to the cart on behalf of a customer. Click on this checkout. Continue with the shipping options present and select the payment method to be EBS payment method over here. To accept the terms and condition of vendor, check this box provided to accept and click on submit my button. This will redirect you to the payment page for the EBS, which is e-billing solutions. Here you need to enter the card details and click on this make payment. This is how you can make payment through EBS Payment Gateway. That's all about my CS Card EBS Payment Gateway. Thank you so much for watching.